Look at this, everybody. Absolutely incredible. What is that cloud? Look, it's clear everywhere else. Let me just have a look at this side. That's supernatural. The date is the 25th of May 2025. The time is now 3:32 AM. That is incredible. What is that? That's supernatural. That is the weirdest thing I've seen. That's not even normal, is it? That's dramatic. I took some photos earlier, but this is even more dramatic. How strange. Let's see if we can zoom in a bit. Wow. What the hell is that? That's a sign to the Watchtower and Jehovah's Witnesses that you are going down on the 3rd of August 2025. And I'm bringing the nations again, you the news media. Do not underestimate me. Oh God. That looks like some kind of dragon. I looked out my window and it was 3:14 AM, and when I got up to the window it was 3:15 AM, and it's my favourite scripture. The 315th chapter of the Bible is 2 Kings chapter 2, which is talking about Elijah going to heaven in a chariot of fire. So this is obviously a sign from Jehovah. Look at that. What is that about? That is completely and utterly strange. Have you ever seen anything like that? Clouds like that? I mean, if you don't think that's supernatural, I don't know what you're going to view. Look at that. It's at right angles, that. Let me see if I can zoom in a bit more. God, what is that, man? I'm having to be quiet because my friend Trish is downstairs. Oh, God. That is the most strangest thing I've ever seen. I mean, what is that about? Seriously. Look at that. I've never ever, and it happened to happen at 3:15, which is connected to Elijah, which is me. The 315th chapter of the Bible is 2 Kings chapter 2, and Elijah going to heaven. So what's the chances of that not being supernatural? There's been an earthquake in Argentina. Breaking up, look. Look, the thing is, let me just zoom out again. If you zoom out, I mean, it looks clear, pretty clear everywhere else. I looked on my weather radar, and there were a few clouds in Lincoln, but it was covered up. There was no clear sky. That's the thing. I'll check in a minute. That is so strange. What do you think to that? That is bizarre. That is completely bizarre. That's a sign from Jehovah. Definitely the watchtower are going down. I've been hearing clicks and taps in my bedroom again. The angels are with me. And also this afternoon when I was doing something important, well, years ago, there was a vent on the side of the house, and the flaps kept making the noise, the same, the noise, you could hear it. So my brother-in-law Ashley Gale got Russell Joblin to do it, his brother-in-law, and he put a new vent on that doesn't have any flaps on it. But a few times this afternoon, I heard it flat make the noise like for about 3 or 4 seconds, and it wasn't even windy. It was only about 11 miles per hour, and that was a bit strange earlier as well, because it was actually the wind was blowing, so I don't know what that was about. It's gone quiet now. Anyway, I'm going to call it a day now. Good night.